Today I'm going to share with you guys a quick tip in Flipgrid for how to deal with students who aren't really sure about showing their face to their classmates. Let's go. Hey guys, so every one of us knows that students go through issues where they may not feel comfortable putting their content out there for their classmates to watch, whether they got a zit on their face or whatever's going on. So in this quick tip, what I want to show you is how you can use an emoji to respect the student's wishes, but also to do something that I call challenge by choice. So challenge by choice is essentially the fact that you are allowing the students to put themselves out there the degree that they want to. All right, so one way to push them past this is to say, find your comfort level and then push beyond it. So the first time you do this, it's okay. Wherever you're comfortable, let's go ahead and film that and then put that content out there. But what I want you to do is I want you to challenge yourself to try to go a step beyond and to grow, because hey, that's what all these experiences are for. So I'm just assigning this to my students. They haven't responded yet, but you'll see the hand here. I've turned moderation on. And a tip that I gave my students, if they don't want to be seen, is at the end when they choose their selfie, to put an emoji over their face. Now I said, make sure it's not a goofy emoji. Make sure it's one that literally covers your whole face. And then when I look at your selfie for your response, I'll know you don't want that shared out. So I can give you feedback right there, but not necessarily, have the social risk if a student is uncomfortable about doing that. All right, guys, so I hope that was helpful. I hope that your students are feeling a little more safe and can put their content out there for you to watch with that moderation thing on, but also that you would challenge them to grow as human beings and provide a safe environment for them to do that. So check out all of our other Flipgrid videos in this Flipgrid playlist that's up here, as well as all of the other EdTech tips that we're putting on our YouTube channel and the content coming out on our blog, kicksomeclass.com. Hope that was helpful. Hope you have a great day.